So we do a lot of breast augmentation surgery here at the Krochmal Center for Plastic Surgery. And women typically undergo breast augmentations for a couple of reasons. One is that the breast just never developed the way that you wanted them to develop, but also sometimes with pregnancy or with breastfeeding or with significant weight loss, the volume that you had goes away. So we want to go ahead and restore that volume. And so there are a couple of different ways that we can restore that volume for you. One is with breast implants. And the types of implants that we use range from silicone and saline implants. But then another method, instead of just implants, is using your body's own fat. So we can do liposuction and target some of those trouble areas that you have. Take that fat, purify it, and selectively place it into the breast to improve the size and the shape. And then you don't have a foreign body to worry about in terms of surveillance for the rest of your life. So I look forward to speaking with you, figuring out your goals, and determining whether breast augmentation with implants or breast augmentation with your own fat might be the best solution for you.